Hey guys, how you doing? So this is a continuation of the beginners friendly project that I started. So this is another outfit for summer that I decided to make to update my summer wardrobe. So I'm just going to cut the armhole now 9 inch from the top and then just curve it like this. So this is a very simple top that you can make. Then the neckline, I measure 3 inch and then just slant down the shoulder by 1.5 inch. And then I'm going to get the depth of the front part, which is going to be 7 inch. I make it a V shape, and then I'm going to work on the back part. In the back part, I just took in a bit, 2.5 inch for the back part. So this is just a basic bodice that anyone can do, so it's standard for anybody. You can do it exactly like this, and then just the bodies that differs depend on your size. So I'm just going to cut the middle part, and then I'm going to sew the shoulder and then the side. So this is just a box shape, no other kind of stressing on it. So next I'm going to work on the neckline. I'm just going to cut a strip of the fabric to work on the neckline and the armhole to create a bias. This is it after turning in with the bias strips I created. So next I'm just going to fix in the strap for the front. So I'm just going to cut 1.5 inch and then fold, sew, and then turn. So this is the trick I use to do this. I just put this tiny strap inside so that I can easily turn it. So this is it, it's ready to go. I'm just going to attach it to this part and then fold it in and sew it down. If you haven't seen the previous beginners friendly project for summer that I posted, I'll leave an end screen at the end of this video so that you can check it out. So I have like 2 outfits there that you can also create for summer. So in case you've not seen it, those are also simple, very, very simple. Honestly, this is actually the longest way to do this. Our advice, you just fold this front part and then just attach the strap, but I just wanted the finishing to be perfect. That's why I went through all this process. So I'm just going to aim the down part. This is it. So this top is ready. I think even beginners, this is something you can easily recreate. So please like, subscribe, share before you leave. Thanks so much for watching. So this is a finishing. Bye for now.